Here is how to fix slow download speed in Windows 10 or 11. So if your downloads are slow, even with a good internet connection and everything fine on your device, here's what to do. Open the Start menu and then type on Settings, or you can tap on this Settings option in the left-hand side of the screen. Once it is open, you need to go ahead, tap on Network and Internet, then select Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then go to Properties. Give administrative privileges, and go to Internet Protocol version TCP IPv4 and go to its properties. A new window will open. Select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server, go ahead, enter 8888, and in the alternate DNS server, type in 8844. Then tap on OK, and you'll be done. Now close this window and search for CMD or command prompt and run it as an administrator. Then enter ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Then restart your PC and test your download speed. You can try a download manager as well. A good option is Free Download Manager. You can go to their website, download and install it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.